Converting to solar lighting for your pool. There is much debate about the application of solar energy as a global energy platform. There is no debate, however, on smaller applications such as pool lighting. Converting to solar lighting for your pool. Solar energy has been used by man since the beginning of time. The power of the sun, and its ability to warm the earth, has kept civilization alive. In the 1830s, John Herschel, a British explorer, used the first modified solar collector to cook food on an African expedition. Since then, man has come up with other ways to harness the sun's power in both big and small amounts. One of the smaller ways that the average person can use solar power on a cost-effective basis is for pool lighting. Many homeowners employ the use of pool lighting so that they can enhance the look of their backyard, as well as use their pools at night. Unfortunately, traditional lighting is either a drag on your electric bill or a pain in the derriere if you go the battery route. In the case of floating pool lights, you're stuck with batteries, which make them a time-consuming to change out and costly item to run. Batteries need replacing, and they are also harmful to the environment if not disposed of properly. You might be wondering if there are any other options for illuminating your pool that are more cost-effective and easier to work with. There is an option that solves all the problems: solar pool lighting. These lights work by floating on the surface of the water. All day, they collect the sun's energy via solar collectors located on the top of their waterproof case. The collected solar energy charges a rechargeable battery located within the light, and then the solar pool lights are turned on automatically at night via a light sensor. The stored power within the battery powers a LED light which takes very little energy to run, therefore, the pool light can stay on for 8 to 10 hours at a stretch. Going with solar pool lighting may seem a small step in the dual battle against the utility bill and fossil fuel usage. In truth, every little step we take as a society helps. Remember, changing even one light bulb in your house to an energy-efficient version saves money and thousands of tons of pollutant from fossil fuel energy production. If we all convert to solar pool lighting, it will make a difference given the sheer number of pools.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.